right? So what I'll do, I'm going to take you to my category. So my category is called Oversee and Govern. And so this is where a lot of managers, cybersecurity management, executive cyber leaders are at, legal advice, policy, procedures, things like that, education, all that kind of stuff, because it's not usually hands-on type stuff. It's more of you're overseeing what's going on. You're making sure everything is going in the right direction. So my specialty is really this one right here, which is security information systems security managers. And then they have different work roles. This breaks in further down into work roles. And so it has abilities, knowledge, skills, tasks, and other things that you need to know if you're trying to get into this actual work role. Furthermore, what you can do is, and what I'll do in my book is I break this down into like related to directly to like LinkedIn and Indeed and all that stuff. So you can see the direct correlation between the categories that they've broken down here and actually the categories that are in all cybersecurity. That's because that's what they did. They just took 7 categories and said, okay, this is how cybersecurity breaks up. And then they broke that down further into specialized skills. And then they broke those into work roles. So I'm going to take this stuff and relate it directly to how you can take stuff from Indeed, stuff from LinkedIn, and find your niche that you can actually get into in cybersecurity. And then once you find your niche, once you know, okay, I want to be an information security officer, I want to be an information security, I want to be a ComSec manager, then what I'll do is I'll show you how to find what exact degree you need if you need one, because some don't even need a degree, bro. Some don't even need a degree. Some like just need specific skills, but it'll tell you exactly what skills you need, exactly what keywords to use on your resume, exactly what everything. You can check out this site. Let me see if I can give you guys the link here. If you go to, actually, if you go to Google and just type in cybersecurity workforce, NICE, N-I-C-E, that right there will guide you to this site that you see here. It's pretty robust. There's a lot of things going on with this site because these guys are very, very active. The Department of Defense, as well as DHS and all these different agencies use these guys as a reference to know exactly what skills and tasks that are needed to do cybersecurity. Federal government relies on this, what you see here, very heavily. So that's why I decided to make a book about it, to kind of boil it down to stuff, practical knowledge that you can use for your career path. 2-book series, gonna tell you how to market and then how to get the proper career path of what you want in this field.